Hello, I'm Kevin from Crypto MY. In today's episode, I will talk about this trading board review. So let's stay tuned. So you guys actually heard a lot about trading boards here and there. Even exchange itself has also a trading board. Like Binance, they have their own trading board. Obi, they have their own trading board where you can actually copy. And I find this very interesting, which is these 3 commas. These 3 commas has been circulating around on my social media channel, and I find this very, very interesting. So when I actually logged in, my first impression was like, wow, it's so advanced already. I was expecting right trading boards to be as simple as possible. It's like, when I just click here, 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 okay, that's all. Then the copy trades will actually do the works for me. But in this case, this is slightly different. This is like the advanced version of the copy trading, which is I find it very, very impressive. How do I say very impressive is look at these 3 commas, look at this dashboard. So what special about this, right, is you can connect all your accounts from different exchanges in here, and this board, this 3 commas app will actually do the job for you, which is when you trigger a specific board, it will trigger all your accounts or certain accounts that you want. So it's like, makes us much more easier, especially when you have a lot of accounts here and there and you have having hard time to just keep on logging here and there just to do some trades. In other words, you can just go into here and then just click on, you can see here Binance, you can connect BitMEX, Bittrex, Bybit, all sort of exchanges all right here. So it's a very, very good thing for you. And the good thing is, look at here, they have different trading boards that you want. Not just like, smart trades, like, you just connecting and then just do all the tradings at one shot. Not just that, if you are a beginner, you can also, very advisable for you to use this because they actually have their own trading boards, copy trading boards. Like here, you can see Blizzard will have their own trading boards, 8%, 9%, 7%, 5%. You can select all sort of presets that you want here. So if you, for example, if I like this Aloha Date Star board, yeah, just go ahead, just click copy board, then you will just copy his strategy, DCA long strategy, which is a good thing. So if you want to explore more, you want to know more about this, you can also click this button and you will see different sort of presets here that you can always go and select. And you can see most of the time, most of the bots are making profit for you. So how bot work is, whenever the person trades, you will copy their tradings. Okay, for example, if he buys at 41,000, then it will trigger to your account and you will buy at 41,000. So you will have no delays to ensure that you will get the maximum profit out of it, which is a very, very good thing. So they have DCA board, they have grid board, which is every lines, do the grids like the gridding, uh, like this. You do buy or sell, up to you. Okay, of course, if you want to do manual strategy, you can just click manual strategy. You can select manually how you want to do it. This works in a lot of exchanges, though, which is a very good thing, and I find this very useful also when it comes to like a certain direction. You have a certain direction, or even I would say right, not really lah. I mean, not really works on consolidating, but I would prefer at a certain direction where you know when it's the bull market, you just keep on doing the greeding, you just buy, continue buying all the way up to get maximum profit out of it. And then they have the HODL whole board, and you can see that this design for long-term investment, it follows a conventional DCA dollar cost averaging investment strategy. So they have sort of a lot of strategies that you can play around with, and this one is more into long-term investment, mid-term, short-term. There are plenty of terms that you want. Even option boards they also have. If you feel like it's not enough, right? You don't think, what this board are also limited. You can even go to marketplace and subscribe to more bots. So there are plenty of people, third-party traders that actually come in and say, hey, if you want to subscribe on my board, you can actually subscribe it at $10 per month, $30 per month. Depends on, what sort of this third party are providing to you. And I believe that all these third party, you can also see their number of followers, well, 30 over 1,000 followers they are following. This is free. If you want to try out, you can try out. Maybe it can help you to earn a lot of money also. Okay, so all this right can actually benefit you as a beginner or a midterm trader, or you don't like to, you feel like trading is not the best time for you or good time for you. You can actually sign in to these 3 commas, test out their bots, and get money from there. So what so special is if you want to have this account, you remember to I'll put down the link at below, so you guys can click on the link and get 50% off from me. So when you register under my referral link, you will get all slash 50%. And I would suggest you, if you want to test it out by yourself, you can also subscribe this. This is free. If you are like those normal trader, you don't need to have so many functions. You can go for starter, advanced. Of course, I will be advisable for you to use this pro version, because since it's $99, then it cut 50% off. It's only $49 plus, which it unlocks all of that. So you will have unlimited access to all the bots, and all the bots can actually help you to earn money also. Okay, so very easy. I'll put down the link at the description below, the referral link. Just click on it to register. Also, once you register, you will get this slash 50% off straight away. So they have like, other than that, they have like introduction, they have a smart trade where you can actually trade directly in this platform without going accessing into Binance or Huobi platform. You can just directly just go in here, like for example, just go in here and then just select the market that you want, the trading pair that you want, and then just trade. So very simple, very straightforward. And I think the best thing is would be the trading bots, because when people wants to subscribe or wants to the purpose of buying this, subscribing this, is all about the trading bots. So if the trading bots help you to make money, you will subscribe it long term. All right, keep on subscribing because it's helping you to earn money. So I would say better to test it out by yourself. You can go for the free version, test it out first, test some water first, and then just think like whether you want to have the pro version or the advanced version or starter version. It's all up to you. So under here you can see the app store here, where you can actually download all sort of get better trading experience with special apps for 3 commas. You can see there are plenty of bots that you can have, which helps you to enhance your trading experience better. So I would say this is also available in App Store and Google Play Store, which is also very convenient for you. You can have it on your phone. If you ask me whether it's good or not, worth it or not, I would say it's worth it since it's free, and since the pricing is cheap compared to what it is before. Definitely I would suggest you to test it out. It's just a Netflix subscription model only, right? And I think this is good for you because this can help you to earn money. All right. So yeah, ask the good review. Yeah, definitely I would say can test it out. Remember to do your own research. I'm just sharing based on my experience. And yeah, just stay tuned for more, and I hope to see you guys soon. Okay, goodbye.